Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a close look at the impressive 2026 Kenworth Motorhome, a luxury recreational vehicle that combines the strength of a commercial truck with the comfort and elegance of a premium home on wheels. Designed for travelers who want maximum space, durability, and luxury, the 2026 Kenworth Motorhome stands out as one of the most unique and capable motorhomes on the road today. Whether you're planning cross-country adventures or living the RV lifestyle full-time, this motorhome offers an incredible blend of performance, comfort, and advanced technology. The first thing you'll notice about the 2026 Kenworth Motorhome is its commanding presence. Built on a heavy-duty Kenworth truck chassis, it features a bold front grille, distinctive LED headlights, aerodynamic styling, and a massive body that immediately attracts attention. The high-quality paint finish, chrome accents, and custom graphics give it a premium appearance. Large side mirrors provide excellent visibility, while integrated storage compartments offer plenty of room for luggage, outdoor equipment, and travel essentials. Retractable awnings create a comfortable outdoor living area, making campsites feel like home. Moving around the exterior, you'll find luxury features designed to enhance every journey. The motorhome includes power entry steps, exterior entertainment systems, outdoor lighting packages, and large panoramic windows that allow natural light to flood the interior. High-end wheels and durable tires ensure confidence on long-distance trips, while advanced suspension systems help deliver a smooth ride. Multiple slide-out sections dramatically increase interior living space when parked, transforming the vehicle into a spacious mobile residence. Under the hood, the 2026 Kenworth Motorhome is powered by a robust diesel engine engineered for heavy-duty performance and long-lasting reliability. Depending on the configuration, buyers can expect a powerful engine producing impressive horsepower and torque figures. This power allows the motorhome to handle steep grades, long highway stretches, and heavy loads with ease. The advanced automatic transmission delivers smooth gear changes, helping optimize fuel efficiency and overall driving comfort. Performance is one of the strongest aspects of this motorhome. Despite its large size, advanced steering systems and modern chassis engineering make it surprisingly manageable to drive. The air ride suspension absorbs road imperfections effectively, reducing fatigue during long journeys. Powerful braking systems provide strong stopping capability, while modern driver assistance technologies help maintain control in various driving conditions. Whether you're traveling through mountains, deserts, or urban highways, the Kenworth Motorhome is built to deliver confidence and stability. Stepping inside reveals a luxurious living environment designed to rival upscale apartments. Premium materials, elegant finishes, and carefully crafted details create a welcoming atmosphere. The spacious living area features comfortable seating, high-quality upholstery, and large windows that provide excellent views of the surrounding landscape. LED lighting throughout the cabin creates a modern ambiance, while climate control systems maintain a comfortable temperature regardless of the weather outside. The kitchen area is equipped with everything needed for extended travel. Depending on the configuration, owners can enjoy solid surface countertops, residential-style refrigerators, induction cooktops, convection ovens, microwaves, and ample storage cabinets. The thoughtful layout makes meal preparation convenient and enjoyable, whether you're cooking a quick breakfast or a full dinner for family and friends. The dining space offers comfortable seating and practical functionality. Many versions include expandable tables and flexible seating arrangements that maximize interior usability. This area can serve as a dining room, workspace, or gathering place for entertainment during long trips. The bedroom continues the luxury theme with a large bed, premium mattress, stylish decor, and abundant storage solutions. Large wardrobes, overhead cabinets, and under-bed storage help keep belongings organized. Some configurations include multiple sleeping areas, allowing families or groups to travel comfortably. The bathroom is designed to provide residential-level comfort. High-quality fixtures, spacious showers, modern sinks, and premium materials create a relaxing environment. Many models include separate shower and toilet areas, improving convenience and functionality during extended journeys. Technology plays a major role in the 2026 Kenworth Motorhome experience. Large touchscreen displays provide access to navigation, entertainment, vehicle information, and climate controls. Smartphone integration, wireless connectivity, premium sound systems, and smart home-style controls enhance convenience and entertainment. Owners can monitor and control various systems directly from mobile devices, making operation easier than ever before. Safety remains a top priority. The 2026 Kenworth Motorhome comes equipped with a wide range of advanced safety technologies. Features may include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, collision mitigation systems, electronic stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking systems, and multiple camera views. These technologies help drivers maintain awareness and confidence while operating such a large vehicle. Additional safety features include reinforced construction, advanced airbag systems, tire pressure monitoring, emergency braking assistance, and high-visibility lighting systems. Together, these systems work to protect occupants and improve overall road safety. Modern driver assistance technologies also reduce fatigue during long-distance travel by providing valuable support in challenging driving situations. One of the biggest attractions of the 2026 Kenworth Motorhome is its ability to deliver true luxury travel. It offers the freedom to explore new destinations without sacrificing comfort. From weekend adventures to full-time RV living, this motorhome provides a premium experience designed for those who demand the best. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 Kenworth Motorhome is positioned in the luxury segment of the market. Pricing varies depending on customization, floor plans, equipment packages, and luxury upgrades. Entry-level custom builds may start around several $100,000, while highly customized premium versions can exceed $1 million. Buyers are investing not only in transportation but also in a fully functional luxury living space capable of traveling almost anywhere. Overall, the 2026 Kenworth Motorhome represents an outstanding combination of strength, luxury, technology, and versatility. Its powerful diesel performance, spacious interior, advanced safety systems, and premium amenities make it one of the most desirable luxury motorhomes available. For travelers seeking ultimate freedom without compromising comfort, the Kenworth Motorhome delivers an unforgettable experience. Thank you for watching today's review of the 2026 Kenworth Motorhome. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss future automotive and RV reviews. Let me know in the comments what you think about this incredible luxury motorhome and whether you would choose it for your next adventure. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.